Hello, kids! Today, we will learn about basic addition. Addition is adding on the number of items to find the total number of items. Addition is also called a sum or simply add. Today, we will learn about basic addition of numbers with the help of objects picture. Now, let's get started. Now I'll be showing you an example with a set of pictures where you have to add the objects to find that total. Now, let's start it. 1. So we have 1 banana plus 1, 2. So here, we have plus 2, banana. So you have to find the total number of bananas now. So let's start counting again. 1, 2, 3. So totally, we have 3 bananas. So 1 plus 2 gives 3. Now let's check out our next example and start counting the objects. Oh, here we have 1, 2. So there are 2 donuts, plus 1, 2, and 3. So here it is, plus 3 donuts. Now we have to find the total number of donuts. Now let's start counting the donuts again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally, we have 5 donuts, so 2 plus 3 gives 5. Now let us take another example. Now let's start counting the number of objects. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have 4 fishes plus 1, 2. So here we have plus 2 fishes. Now we have to find the total number of fishes. Now let's start counting the number of objects. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have 4 fishes plus 1, 2. So here we have plus 2 fishes. Now we have to find the total number of fishes. Now let's start counting the fishes again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally, we have 6 fishes. So we get 4 plus 2 gives 6.